Good morning from the Quilted Chicken Farm. What time is it? It is 10:25 and it's December the 2nd. And I'm just going to chat with you this morning. This will just be a morning vlog because since 10:30 I've been all over the place this morning. Got up early. I went down to milk the cow and come back. I made Terry's breakfast. He went to put out hay and I tidied up my kitchen just a little bit. Talked to my mama on the phone. And let's see, I've chauffeured Terry over with his tractor over to the married woman's farms, what we call that one, because that's my piece of ground my mom and dad gave me. So I took him over there because he's going to move hay today. I even did a short live stream from there. I've been to the mailbox. I've got my mail. And I'll just tell you, something come in the mail today. And I haven't opened it yet. But I'm fixing to. I'm fixing to see who sent me this because I got the feeling that some of my friends on YouTube have sent me something. I'll get to that in just a minute. But I got the rest of my mail. Let me see. I got water bills. I got junk mail. Y'all don't care what's in my mail, but I'm gonna tell you about it anyway. That's some more junk mail. Oh, got light bills. Y'all need a light bill? I got more than one. I think the internet's in there too. The phone and internet. But anyway, I got some. See, I could share with you because I got more than one, don't I? Let's see. Got a catalog from Lehman's. That might have something interesting in it. Let's see. Let's see what Lehman's got. I like Lehman's, don't you? There's still time to find the perfect gift. Free shipping on orders $99. Use this code. Let me see. I'll find us something. Give me just a second. What do we need? Well, I'm looking. Well, there's so many things. There's so many things we would like. All right. We'll look at that again in a minute. Oh, got the bank statements. We'll put them right there. Oh, got this little magazine. And it's usually got some good recipes in it. Let's see what the recipes are. Saucy Secrets. That's just some barbecue places in Arkansas. Let me find the recipes. Cute. Got some cute pictures. Let me see. Ho, 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 holiday delights. Mocha pecan squares. That sounds good. Pimento cheese shrimp dip. That sounds good too, don't it? Cranberry orange French toast casserole with cranberry syrup. What else? Sweeten the season. Peanut butter turtle bars. I love sweets. Old-fashioned ginger snaps. How about we make some old-fashioned ginger snaps in a little while? That sound like a plan? Let's see if I got everything I need. 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, 3 sticks of butter, 2 cups of sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of molasses and 2 eggs and sugar for rolling. It's been ages since I've made ginger snaps. Have y'all made ginger snaps? And there's a Christmas cake mix cookies. White cake mix, butter, eggs, and red and green candies like M&M's. Sounds pretty good too. Let's see what else. I still gotta open that. I'll get to that in just a minute. I will. I got just a little bit of a clue of what I think's in it. Just a little one. Blackberry bacon grilled cheese sandwich. I don't know about blackberry and bacon, but they're featuring a fancy restaurant at Siloam Springs. I got any friends in Siloam Springs watching? Okay. Big Cedar Lodge. Wouldn't that be a pretty place to go have a quilt retreat? It would, wouldn't it? But I can't plan it. I'm not a planner. $159 per night for Sunday through Thursday. Cozy up by the fireplace as you welcome the new year. Big Cedar Lodge. I'm not advertising for Big Cedar Lodge, but I bet it's nice. All righty, Rita. They're tired of you reading your mail. Okay, well, let's see. Where is it? Welcome back to our hidden object game. Where is it? In the November issue, we had a Thanksgiving gravy bowl. Joked one reader who found it in an Arkansas Food Hall of Fame story on page 15. I discovered the gravy bowl in the Mount Nebo chicken fry picture. Talk about a saucy surprise. In a random drawing of correct answers, 5 winners were selected to receive Arkansas Living mugs. Okay, before December, we've hidden this reindeer. And in the spirit of Christmas, we'll be giving out 10 mugs for the winners of our reindeer games. For a chance to win via random drawing, enter by December 15th through the Where Is It link on the homepage, or you can mail them. Oh, you got to find the reindeer. But I won't look for that right now either, but I just might look for it in a little bit. Reckon where the reindeer is. And knowing me, it'll take me a long time to find it, so I won't do that either. All right, now we're going to get to this package. On the front of it, it's mailed to the Quilted Chicken Farm. It's got my address, and it's from Coffee Brands Coffee, Phoenix, Arizona. And down here it says 1 times gingerbread ground. You think there's coffee in there? I think I would guess coffee, wouldn't you? Let's take these scissors and open it and see. I was just reading the hints. Ooh. Who's it from? It is. Somebody heard me the other day when I said I was out of coffee. But this is gingerbread, medium roast. Now, who sent me that? Who sent me this? Let me see. Who sent it? Please tell me. I need to know. Will you come back and have coffee with me in the morning, and we have a gingerbread coffee in the morning? I can't tell who sent it, but that is so sweet. I'm looking here. I'm looking to see. But I can't see. I can't tell. Y'all are so wonderful. Y'all are so sweet. I'm not going to have any today. I'm not going to have any this morning, but I'm going to have some in the morning. Should I just kind of, let's tell you what. Please, whoever sent it, will you please tell us? We'd all like to know so we could all thank you in person, please. Because I can't tell. But I appreciate that so much. Y'all are so wonderful, but I must see what it smells like. Let me see, is that how, no? Here's how I want to open it. I was about to mess up. There's something I'm going to pull right here to open. Pull that off. Open it up. Oh, it smells good. Smells like gingerbread. Maybe I need to make gingerbread instead of the ginger snaps. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, I'm having gingerbread coffee in the morning. And I want y'all to come have coffee with me, alright? And thank you to whoever sent me this. I appreciate it. I really do. Oh, I love y'all. Y'all are wonderful. But please let me know. Please let me know who sent it. Okay. Bye for now. I love y'all. I got to get up and get something else done. I've been every place this morning and still hadn't got anything accomplished. the day will be half over before I even get good and started, won't it? Bye, y'all. That's my second goodbye. There's my third goodbye. Goodbye now.